In this video, I raced my stock Turbo S against a GT2RS making 850 horsepower, a 1400 horsepower UGR Lambo, a 1100 horsepower 765LT Spider, all down the half mile. Hey everybody, Brooks from Drag Times here. We're out at the airstrip with FastOrNothing. We're getting set up for their half mile event, which is in December, and they needed someone to come out and test out this 1 mile airstrip. So we brought out some friends. We got Giddy here with the Twin Turbo Lambo. I think he's at 1200 horsepower. My stock Turbo S, unfortunately, I might have the slowest car here today, which kind of sucks, but we got a 2RS. I think it's making around 900 horsepower, and they're loading up race gas over here and the 765LT Spider. Here we go, half mile race, Twin Turbo Lambo versus Porsche. Let's see if he can catch me. Sport Chrono. And I'm off. He's way back there. I don't know if he can catch me. No! What the? Oh, he just killed me. Wow, when that car puts the power on, it is no joke. Of course, he didn't launch the car because we don't want to break anything, but man, when that thing come on the power, he just flew by me like I wasn't even moving. That thing's nuts. Wow. Maybe I need to get a Twin Turbo Lambo. That thing's insane. He's only running like 1200 horsepower saying. I think it goes up to like 1600 horsepower. We go. Now we got 1000 horsepower 765LT versus the Porsche Turbo S half mile. Here we go. I'm off. He got a pretty good launch though. Oh man, here he comes. No way, he's gone. No, dude, that thing's insane. I'm passing the half mile here at about 165 miles an hour, and he's like 20 cars ahead of me. Wow. That McLaren's not messing around. Woo! And this is what we got here. We got Eric brought out his GT2RS to race my Turbo S, because when we were in the Tennessee roads, I had the Turbo S and he had the GT2RS.
Yep.
He was like, I can't handle no turbos.
Kicking my ass in the hills.
So we did a little couple runs. It wasn't very, I mean, GT3RS is close, but the Turbo S got so much power. So he went out and bought this basically brand new GT2RS, like 300 miles on it. And of course, Eric goes crazy, puts the wheels on it. I think that's extra. Tune, exhaust, and what else we got on this thing?
Front canards, that's it.
Front canards? No, but it's got tune and exhaust.
Tune, exhaust.
Okay.
Wheels, that's it.
So how much horsepower? 900?
It made 730 to the wheel, so 850.
After the tune, 730 to the wheels?
Yep.
Okay, so that's probably at least
860.
That's probably about 9. Yes.
Those are
yeah. Mine made 640 horsepower, but you're lighter too.
Yeah, it should be lighter.
My car weighs in at like 3550, and this car's probably like what?
3250.
3300.
Yep.
So basically, we're gonna see if you can catch me.
Right, because I will not get you out of the hole.
So we're doing arm drop. Still, this thing does 0 to 60 pretty good.
Yeah,
have you tried launch control yet?
I have.
Okay.
I have, and it spun like crazy.
All right, so it's spun like crazy.
We'll see what happens.
And you have 30-inch wheels on here, so you might not get enough traction. What size are they?
These are 30-inch wheels. Again.
22s?
21, 22.
22?
We went up 1 inch.
Yeah. You know what's crazy? My Lamborghini Revuelto comes with 22s.
It's crazy.
From the factory. Stock from the factory, you got 22s. Yep. But this car just looks slammed and a lot lower, so. All right, so here you got 850 horsepower GT2RS or the stock Turbo S down the half mile. All right, here we go. GT2RS versus Turbo S. I'm engaging launch control now. Here we go. Oh, he got out! It's a pretty good race. That's crazy. That thing outlaunched the Turbo S. And he's gone. Wow. That's insane. GT2RS with 22-inch wheels out-launched at Turbo S? I don't understand. That doesn't make any sense. I think I need another try at that. That's just not right. They can't go down like that. I don't know what happened. I felt like my launch was good. Maybe my reaction time is a little off, but he was just gone. What is going on there? You out-launched the Turbo S? I didn't spin that much. How did it launch? You killed me. I was watching. That's all right. I need a better launch. I think you took a jump. We need another go.
Did you beat him?
No. That's why I have to do it again.
Okay.
I think he jumped. Here we go. Round 2. Here we go. Yep. I got him that time. All right, come on, let's go Turbo S. Come on, no GT2RS. No, 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 no. Oh man, here he goes. There he goes. I'm pretty sure I had them in the quarter mile, but half mile, not so much. All right, that was better. That thing's fast, man. Holy shit. You got to be happy with that. Dude. Jeez. I'm going to put tuning down pipes on this. And then what?
Now that would be a good rate.
Then we'll see. All right, here we go. GT2RS half mile test. About the same launch, 0-16-25.
130, quarter mile. Half mile.
Underground racing. Giddy behind the wheel. He's making about 1,200 horsepower. He's got it turned down. So you got this thing turned down?
Yeah, it's around 14 now.
1,400 horsepower. Oh, he cranked it up. And he wants us.
Oh,
Yeah, sorry, just 1,400. All right, 1,400 wheel. We're doing a 40-mile-an-hour roll race. I'm in the Turbo S, the slowest car out of the bunch. So as soon as I go, they're gonna come chase me. So we got stock Turbo S right here, 640 horsepower. It's doing the half mile at about 161 miles an hour. And over here, we got a 765 LT Spider, over 1,000 horsepower. So we got 1,400 horsepower, 640 horsepower, and about 1,100 horsepower, 40-mile-an-hour roll. They don't want to do the dig off the, they don't want to go from a dig because they're scared of the Turbo S. It's going to launch ahead of them. They're going to panic, and you know, they just want to do this little roll race stuff. So I'll do the roll race for them just to let them see how it goes. Yeah. All right, so here we got the McLaren, the Turbo S, and of course the underground racing car out there. We're going to load up and do a 3-wide roll race down the runway. Here we go. We got the roll race 3 ways, Twin Turbo Lambo, McLaren 765, and the Turbo S. Here we go. There goes the McLaren, there goes the UGR car. All right, so that's a wrap. If you want to do road racing and drag racing like this at this airstrip, check out FastOrNothing. I will put a link on the description. Next event is December 7th.